You know, I don't do videos like this, and every time when I record a video, I always want to be professional or perfect, to do a cover up, to make things look like they're perfect even when they are not. You know why? Because that's how I've been taught to live my life. Always wear a face that looks like nothing is going on, even if a lot is going on. But once in a while, you have to break. I'm tired of the unhealed masculine, disrespectful, unhealed masculine, walking around in the world wanting everything to work the way that they doing whatever they want to do without being called into accountability, and all we have to do is to submit to the bullshit that they're serving. I've had enough, where we have to continuously bow our heads and act as if nothing is wrong. I've had enough. I don't even have words to say. I hate the fact that even when I'm trying to express myself right now, I cannot even express myself because society has told me, my family has told me, don't go around showing your emotions to the world. Don't go around telling everybody, showing everybody how broken you are. Look perfect. That's what they want us to look like. We have to look like everything is in order while everything is falling apart. And the moment you dare show an emotion, or the moment you dare act out of character, where they question you, where they think that you are not behaving the way that you were meant to behave, oh boy, all hell breaks loose, and everybody looks at you like you are the one that causes the dysfunction of the family. You are the one that causes the dysfunction of the society. I've had enough. I've had enough. I've had enough of not being able to show my tears because I'm gonna look weak. I'm gonna look like I don't have everything in order, when everything is not even in order in the first place. I'm mad, and I'm certainly angry. Probably won't even post this video because it looks raw. Because I'm angry. I'm a black woman. I'm a mad black woman. Yeah, we've got traumas. And trust me, I know I'm not the only one that has got traumas. I know I'm not the only one that comes from the situations that I'm talking about, where we just have to bow our heads and submit to a broken system. Sometimes I want to get mad. I want to kick everything. I want my rage to come out. But I've been told to hold it together. I've been told to keep it together. For who? For what? Why for who? Because so that society might look at us as perfect, as got it all together. We have emotions that are running wild within us. Some people are committing suicide because they are being told to suppress the emotions. Keep it together, they say. What's wrong with you? They say. You act out. Why does she have to be the strange one? Why does she keep doing this? But nobody wants to really look. Nobody wants to really hear what's really happening. But they whisper. They call each other behind the back. They discuss, but nobody wants to really listen. And when you actually get the opportunity to really talk, they can't face the things that you speak out. Oh, they are shocked. Oh my God, we didn't know. But they did. They don't have the guts to face the brokenness that is really happening inside. But they have the guts to speak. How long will we keep this going? How long will we watch our young ones, young adults taking their lives, spiraling out in confusion, spiraling out in traumas that we transferred to them? How long will it go on before we say, let's stop and really listen? Before we say, let's stop and really ask what's really going on? Let's stop and really find out what is the root cause of all this? How long? How long? How many of them must die? How many of them must commit suicide? How many of them must lose their minds? How many of them must suffer with this depression, this monster that everybody is afraid to speak about, this depression and anxiety? How long before we really confront the issues? How long? We think that, oh, they're being dramatic. Oh, they're acting out. Are they really acting out? Did you really try to find out? Or when you were trying to find out, you had that attitude to say, you ungrateful person, how dare you act like I didn't do enough for you? How dare you act out? Do you know what I had to go through? My upbringing was not like yours. So do we ask to really understand? Do we ask to really know? Or do we ask to defend ourselves, to hide our guilt, to cover up that we weren't really great parents? We weren't really great guardians. Do we really ask to understand, or do we ask to cover our own shame and guilt? Are we really ready to hear the truth of these young people? Are we really ready? Or we also want to throw tantrums. Oh my God, I don't know why they're acting like this. You also want a pampering. I'm angry and I'm mad as hell about how everything is turning out. This world is just spiraling out in confusion. Traumas transferred into traumas. And when you see a video like this, you're like, what has gotten into her? What's wrong with her? Really? Do you even know? Do you even want to know? Or you are asking because I'm a bad reflection of you? I should be kept together. I should be kept together. Mandra is the sweet one. She's the nice one. I should always have the nice look. I don't want to be the sweet one anymore. I don't want to. I've got pent up anger from all the years where I had to pretend like I've got it all together. And when I was spiraling out with traumas, nobody able to understand me, smoking weed to keep my mind together, smoking weed to make sure I get through the day, nobody cared. Everyone saw me as an addict. Everybody was like, what's gotten into her? Angifuni ukuba ngulo Mrs. Understanding, Mrs. I'm so sweet, Mrs. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm angry. I am angry and I'm mad as hell because of how much this society has to sweep everything under the carpet so that we can look like we've got it all together. We don't have it all together. Izinto ziyamoshakala lana, imindeni iyamoshakala, yonke into iyamoshakala, and akukho into nomuntu oyedwa ozama ukulungisa, kodwa kuyamoshakala kuya ngaphambili, and wonke umuntu ufuna ukwenza kubonakala ingathi yonke into ihamba kahle. Yonke into ihamba kahle, konke kuhamba kahle. Imindeni yethu iyamoshakala, yonke into ihamba kahle. Intombazana ebhema insango, uyakwazi ukuthi why ngibhema insango? Uyazi ukuthi why ngibhema insango? Kunendawo insango efimelela khona phakathi komqondo wami ukuthi ngikhona ukucabanga ngendlela ocabanga ngayo umunye umuntu ofana ongathi izinto zakhe zihamba kahle la omunye umuntu angakhona ukufinyelela khona, kodwa wona onendaba nakho yikuba mina ngintombazana ebhema insango. Niyafuna ukumamela? Niyafuna ukwazi ukuthi yini inkinga? Qalani ukumamela kuyingane zani. Buza ingane ukuba yini inkinga, uyibuze kahle ukuba inkinga yini, ufuna ukwazi ukuthi uyisize, not ukuthi uyitshele ukuba ayibongi, ayikwazi ukubonga ngalokho wena okunikezwe yona. Ukuba uzale ingane 9 months, akuchaza ukuthi ingane kwamele kubonge for lokho. Akumelanga ngikubonge mina ukuthi ungizalile for 9 months. Ukuthi umbhekile wanginakekela since ngazalwayo ngaze ngaba yilo ngingumuntu lo engikhona, akuchaza ukuthi kumele ngikubonge lokho. Kunezinto ezimoshakele egazini, kunezinto ezimoshakele ngokukhula kwami ezifuna ukulungiswa. Ngoba uma zingalungiswanga konke kuyashabalala, imindeni iyashabalala, konke kuyamoshakala. Anifuna ukumbona umuntu okwatile, umuntu okukhuluma ngiyazi kunini ngihleka, kunini ngihleka ngifuna ukukhala, kunini ngihleka ngifuna ukuphahlaza yonke into, kunini ngihleka ngifuna ukubhidliza, ngifuna ukukhahlela umuntu, ngifuna ukukhahlela umuntu aphuma amazinyo. I'm not promoting violence. Mawubona ngathi ngifuna ukuba violent, clearly you don't belong la. Akumelanga ubhekile lento le ngiyikhulumayo. Laba bazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani bazokwazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Sibaningi sikhathele ngokuhlala sipakisha sithi hayi kuzolunga, akulunge manje. Asiyekeni kulokho, siyeke izinto zimoshakala ziya ngaphambili. Abomalume, abobaba omncane basibamba imizimba yethu, babambe imizimba yengane zethu, kodwa ekugcineni kwamele siguqe phansi sibahloniphe. Siyabanjwa amantombazana, kodwa ekugcineni kwamele sithi shh, abantu akumelanga babekwazi lokho. Yiyo le ndlela le elifuna ukukhulisa ngakhona ingane zethu nathi esikhulile, we have to go shh, lokho abantu akumelanga babekwazi. No, bengakhona ukukhuluma before. Nami bengisafuna ukuthi ngenze ingathi kulungile, kodwa manje ngikwatile, anginandaba mina. Anginandaba manje, angikhulumeli mina, so okwenzekile kimi kwenzekile, kudlulile, kodwa manje sengifuna ukulungisela labo abaza engemva kwami, ngifuna ukulungisela labo abazobuya ngemva kwami. Sikhathele ngamadoda afuna ukuthatha amandla abo abaphiwe ngumdali ukuthi basihole indlela, kodwa bathatha la amandla la basebenzise phezukwethu, masiqede lapho sibaguqele phansi sibabonge. Is that the power that the masculine yiyo amandla wenu, ukuthi indlela yokusebenzisa la amandla wenu? Sithithibale endlini ngoba sifuna ukubonga ukuthi likhonile ukusigcina, kodwa you cannot be called accountable for your actions. We must go shh. Akumelanga kwazakale lokho, akumelanga kuphumele ngaphandle lokho. siphuma enhlanyeni manje, siphuma from the mental institute, trying to fix what was broken by the masculine that failed to lead. But ekugcineni bafuna ukusiforce basibandezele ukuthi sibahloniphe phezu kwalokho abakwenzile phezu kwethu. Sibuhlungu silibhekile niyahamba kodwa inhliziyo zethu zidabukile ngoba impilo zethu zimoshekile ngalokho okwenzekile empilweni zethu. Sithi yekani lokho likwenzayo ukuthi likhone ukukhulisa laba abangemva kwethu, likhone ukubonisa indlela ekahle, indlela ehamba ngendlela eqondile. Umdali uzolibiza alibuze ngalokho likwenzile empilweni zethu elisazofuna ukulenza. Mhlawumbe angisuka ngakhona kwenza enye video efana nalena kodwa namhlanje ngikwatile, ngikhathele ngokuthi akukho umuntu ofuna okumele abekwazi ukuthi wena awuhlangananga kahle ekhanda, akukho umuntu okumele abekwazi ukuthi wena akukho kuhle ngawe. Yindlela esikhulisa ngayo abantwana bethu, yindlela elisikhulise ngakhona kuba sithi asichangeeni, let's change. Anginandaba mina ukuthi kwamele ngiphume kuphi, sengidlule noma yikuphi emhlabeni. Ekugcineni sengifike ekugcineni, yabona angazi ukuthi lithi ihell yini ngesintu. Yabona ekugcineni kwe-hell, I've been there kodwa ngabuya ngihleka. Ngihambile ehell ngajika ngihleka kodwa ngithi asilungise. Abakho baningi abafana nami abazofika ehell babuye bahleka. Not everyone can go to the depths of hell and come back smiling like I came smiling. Some go to hell and they don't come back. Let's be accountable for these lives that are running around, these young lives that we are trying to raise. Let's be accountable. Let's stop. As adults, let's stop throwing tantrums about into ezingamelanga sibe sithrowa ngayo ama-tantrums. Sibhizi ngezinto okungamele sibe bhizi ngakhona. Sibambalana, sikhuluma ama-language, sifuna imali. Imali zabantwana ziyamoshakala, impilo zabantwana ziyamoshakala ngaphambi kwethu. Sibhizi ngento umdala angasilethanga ukuthi sizoba bhizi ngazo lana emhlabeni. Yini kathi siyeka lo mhlaba umoshakala kanje?